How to post anonymously on Facebook group. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you on how to post anonymously in Facebook group. While Facebook does not provide a built-in feature for anonymous postings, there is a workaround you can use to achieve this. So let's walk through the steps. First of all, open your browser and navigate to the Facebook website if you're using a computer, or open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Now log into your Facebook account if you haven't already done so. And once you're on the Facebook page, tap on the menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Groups. After that, tap on the group you'd like to create an anonymous post for. You will see an option for anonymous post. Tap on it and then select Got It. Now you can write the post you want to create and tap on the submit option. By following the simple steps, you can successfully post in the group anonymously. I hope you find this video useful. Please consider liking and sharing and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And also do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.